Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to activate Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A72. So, in the first step we have to open the Google application. Then click on More, choose Settings and then Google Assistant. From there we have to find General Settings. It's right there, as you can see. Click on it and simply enable the Google Assistant. Then turn it on, and that's done. That's how you activate Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A72. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.